Good afternoon, guys. This is Train Lover 123 #Trains Rock. We are at Stuart's milepost 261.43. We have FEC train 103 coming through the area. Turns out 103 is a brand new train with brand new traffic. It's never been seen before. This has never been around the tracks before. So this is FEC train 103. We'll have 206 meeting him at Port Seawall. 206 is what 202 was. And 821, and oh my god, I picked up a scent of diesel exhaust. Oh god, that's I think these Gevos are starting to show their age. Goodness gracious me, they are. I caught up a whiff of exhaust from the locomotive. So this is FEC train 103. A brand new train that actually just started service yesterday with the new schedule that the Florida East Coast Railway has. So now FEC train 101 is 105, 202 is 206, and you can just find the schedule online on the website, I guess. Well, there goes 103 with 816, 304, and 821. 821, there we go. Now, this has been Train Lover 123 #Trains Rock. We will be seeing train 206 coming shortly. This has been, like I said, there's been a new schedule change, so 202 is now 206, 101 is now 105, and FEC's 103 is an entirely brand new train. I don't know if they've changed the schedule, for 9:50 or 9:20. I have absolutely no idea, but I do know that we just have a new train coming soon. That we have a new train on the line. So, yeah. So this has been Train Lover 123 signing out.